Today we are going to explore North Indian cuisine with the beloved classic Dal Makhani. So here is what you'll need. 200 gram whole black urad, handful of rajma or kidney beans, 100 gram butter, minced ginger garlic and 3 large tomatoes, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric and whole garam masala. Now let's get started. Wash and rinse the whole black urad and rajma in a large bowl. Soak them in water overnight or for 8 to 9 hours. Then drain them well. Transfer the soaked lentils to a pressure cooker. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, whole spices, 6 to 7 crushed garlic cloves and around 5 to 6 cups of water. Stir well. Pressure cook on medium heat for 6 to 7 whistles or until both black gram and kidney beans have thoroughly softened. In a pan, melt 3 tablespoons of butter over medium to low heat. Add cumin seeds and let them splutter. Next add 2 teaspoons of minced ginger garlic. Add Kashmiri red chilli powder, salt, turmeric powder and garam masala. Saute for 10 seconds, then immediately pour in half a cup of water to retain the red color. Add the tomato puree and saute the mixture on low to medium heat until you see fat releasing from the sides. Now add the cooked urad dal and rajma. Give it all a good mix and set the heat to low. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it simmer on low heat for around 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Adding butter in intervals enhances the flavor, so avoid adding it all at once. The longer you let the dal makhani simmer, the better it tastes. Add some more butter and cook for an additional 15 minutes, ensuring to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. The consistency of Punjabi dal makhani should be neither too thick nor too thin. And there you have it, a delicious bowl of dal makhani ready to be enjoyed. Don't forget to garnish with some kasuri methi and a swirl of cream before serving. Subscribe for more delightful recipes. Happy cooking!